In and up, in and up.
Watch out for the boat.
The moment I feel train for.
Careful.
See anyone down there?
No.
Dude, the angles suck, man.
Yo, do we want to move around and secure this whole upper floor?
Yeah.
Alright. You guys see anyone over there? Where? Okay. It looks like we're pretty secure. Wait, see this guy?
That's your gun? Jesus.
Yeah.
That's so loud.
Hey, in that building down there.
I don't know if I could get the building down there, but I know there's some guys upstairs in that building. Wait, see the guy in the window? Yeah, it's not good. Okay, come on. Bro, you cool if you stay up right there? Or do you want me to switch spots? You cool if you stay right there to keep secure, keep that area secure? Yeah. Wait. I don't have an angle down there.
Hey, watch out. Let me get over there.
It's straight across. Whoa! Guys, there's a guy downstairs. Yo, watch downstairs. Hurry up, hurry up.
I just got hit? Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Guys, watch downstairs.
Yep.
Oh, bro, that's a teammate.
Teammate, sorry.
Is he down?
No, he's fine. From the looks of it.
Jose, teammates over here. Yeah, he's good.
Alright.
Yeah, bro, they're just downstairs, it looks like, so keep our eye downstairs.
Yep. We're looking alright now.
Oh shoot, bro, I'm out. Oh gosh. I have ammo, reloading.
Alright.
Alright, I'm good.
Alright.
What? I can't hear you.
Are you guys good? Do you need some help?
No, we're good right now.
Yeah, but this place right here. I'm just gonna press fire wherever I feel. Get him?
No, there's a guy in this window. Shoot. Hit. Hit. Friendly.
How many lights do we have? Window seal across, you can see his tip.
Yeah. Shoot, you good, bro?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
There's a guy in the building.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I'll peek out.
So I moved up a little bit.
Watch out, he's at the left corner, far left corner.
He's watching me. I can't do it.
Shoot. Yeah, they know where I am. I'm screwed.
I'll use the cover fire real quick if you want to run back.
I saw you flinch! Right there.
Nah, I'm just gonna stay here for a second. Let it cool off.
Huh?
I'm gonna let it cool off.
2 of them in the across are down. You good? Are they in the far right one?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can do something else. I can't see anyone. Is that us?
Yeah, that's us.